Hi, during this short training, I'm going to share with you how to find out what font is a part of a particular design. There's two places you can find that, as well as how to then add that font to your font library and shortcuts a lot so that you are able to use it. So somebody has ordered design number 270, the established mat. You go to that master drive, you're going to download number 270. When you open it, up pops this box, missing font. The following font used in this project cannot be found. The missing font is Pure Seduction. We're going to go ahead and ignore this box. We don't want to replace it with something that we have. We're going to ignore it. But now, if I want to change the DuPont family, it's not going to be in the same font. So I need to find Pure Seduction and add it to my library. I'll go to Google. Pure Seduction font free. And here it is. Most of ours are found on dafont.com. It's going to tell me I can download it. And now I've got a zip file. Whenever you get a zip file, sometimes there's a couple different options. This one happens to be the TTP, which is the type that we like. I'm going to go ahead and copy that. I'm actually going to put it in my file that I call fonts. Paste. So now it's in my font folder that just happens to be mine. Now I'm going to go back into shortcuts a lot. I'm going to click on the font. I'm going to go up here to library. Fonts. Right over here. Load font. I'm going to find my Pure Seduction. It has now been added. So it's now in my font library. Now when I go over here to change this, I should be able to go to Pure Seduction. There we go. Sorry, that's the one I'm picking. And I'm going to change it to the Bauer family. Now something else I'm going to go ahead and add. There are some files, and we will be extending this to all eventually, where you can go to Window, Project Info, and the font might also be there as well. If it's not, I just showed you the other way to find it. While I have you, let's quickly change this D to a B. So I'm going to go to page 2, which is called the alphabet. I'm going to copy the B, paste the B, make the B fit. This may take a little bit of adjusting, depending upon the name. You may have to adjust in here a little bit. And we now have the Bauer family with the new font that's in the library, as well as the background B. Thank you, and I hope that you found this video helpful.